What's good, everybody? This is Big Jaden right here, and we're back with a brand new video. And look what came in the mail today. Sorry, this what came in the mail. You guys already know what that means. Big fact, big facts. Too bad I left it in there already. I'm about to do a before and after test right now. Let me get the keys out real quick. Do before and after. Alright, so I saw before. That's the air now. I'm about to do an after test. We're gonna install this shit.
Turn it off.
Take it off. There you go. There you go.
You got that already though?
Yeah. I'm gonna take this off. Oh, it's in my head. I'm gonna take this off right here. Boom, boom. The master overflow sensor connected to the K&N. So let's get started. Let me get my tools real quick. Alright, so we just installed this. Bada boom. Master overflow sensors right here. You gotta connect it to this. Put it right here. Not like that, but put it right here. Not sure right now. Alright, so it's fully assembled now. Now it's time for the start, right? Do the facts?
Yes, sir.
Alright, everything was assembled. Boom, boom, boom. Don't forget to put on your thing. Yeah, I gotta redo it. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see. Wait. Put on there, so let it breathe in for a little bit. Can't hear if any hairs coming out from in this spot. It's supposed to have a windy today, huh?
Turn it out.
Ready? You might hear better inside the car. You got it?
You hear it? You can't hear it?
I can hear it, yeah.
Real quick one time.
Nice.
Rev it.
Come on here. Oh, it's about to rev it inside the car without the thing. We'll see. Now let's see what let's see how the baby sound. It took us like 30 minutes to assemble, but my neighbor ran over, so we had to go check for that. But pretty good. Sound pretty good. Alright, so I sound before. That's the air now. I'm about to do an after test. We're gonna install this shit.
Turn it off.
Take it off. There you go. There you go. Do a taste test, ear test. Alright, we just did a little driving. The throttle response was the biggest difference. So yeah, like I was saying, the throttle response is 100 times better. You can hear the difference, but when you like floor it, overall, it's good. It was probably worth 300. Peace.